voice changes, muscular body, starts shaving, wearing father's shirt and shoes now. And afterward he gives up because he is bigger than father. Or she is bigger than father. Called what? That's a very peculiarly all hormonal change. They are baby boy or baby girl inside, but outside what? 6.5 foot car. If you look at that, that is called what? Viparinimate. They knew this also very well. Adolescents. Then go up and up to 35, 40. Okay, steady. Then graph started going down. What? 42, correct? Now you cannot stretch anymore. Therefore you go to what? What the first code? Fellow who looks at your numbers. Optometrists. Then you go there. Your happiness, your ananda. Doctor also start telling you, let us do your blood filing. You are on a borderline. What borderline? You are going to become sweet. Really, sweetie? Yes. Your wife was telling you honey all her life, yeah. You are really going to become honey now. You can taste your blood, it will be honey there also. Madhuram. You work out. You got some pain here. 45. When I open my mouth, one sound. Close another sound. 55. Cataract. All things. I see 2. Yeah, as long as you can see 2 moons is okay. But you see 2 wives also is a problem. That's the problem. Instead of 1, you said 2. Graph is what? Apakshiyate. Going down. One thing you should all know. Never ask old men, how are you? Because he will start from his first marriage for 2 hours. Because he has nobody to talk. You never, if you don't have time, never ask them how are you. Because you will be finished. He won't leave you. Because he has got a lot of stories to tell, correct? Unwept sorrow he has got. Or she has got. Correct? Then goes down and down. जवानी आके जाती है, बुढ़ापे आके जाता नहीं है, तुमको ले जाता है. आगे जाता है बुढ़ापा? There was one 100-year-old man, a celebrity. What do you call that? Suddenly? Okay. And he was giving talk. In this world, every celebrity, press reporter attending, on the microphone, the old man is talking. I have no enemies in this world. Everybody claps. He said, let me finish my sentence, I am an old man. I have no enemies in this world. All my enemies are dead and gone. I am the last one. I survive all of them. Then what? Now look at this. This was noted. Jayate asti vartate viparinamate apakshiyate vinashyati. For mosquito it will happen very quickly. For microorganism overnight it can happen. For a turtle or tortoise it can happen after 250 years. For the tree it will take time. Therefore, but all born is subject to this sixfold modification without choice. What do you do for your aging? Come on. What do you do? You don't do anything. Even if you do something to stop it, what? You age quickly as such. Nothing happens. Sometimes you want to age quickly also, because all the advantages are for senior citizens. And this government every year they go back. It was 62, and when you are about to reach 62, they make 65. When you reach 65, they make 72. Okay, understand? You are not going to get any benefit, understand? Because they don't have money. How can they pay you something? Am I right? You want to become a senior citizen quickly. Why? Advantage. Can you do that? In India we can do. We can change everything. we are there, we are very happy. We can do anything. You want certificate, driving certificate? Yes. आ जाएगा. This fellow doesn't know how to sit on the wheel, but he gets a driving license. Amazing fellows. Dangerous, you know. These fellows are there around to keep the Indian population down. These fellows are there. Therefore, now look at anything born has got this 6. If I have this body, can I stop any one of them? Can I reverse the process from old age to childhood? No. Everybody has to go. Therefore, listen, this one more thing, which is not Veda here, but I am telling you, a fact is a fact that is the fact about the fact. Correct? Your aging is what? Please answer, everybody. Not a happy fact, correct? As long as my dog ages, no problem. But I am aging is what? I resist to aging. Does it stop? It will happen. Why don't you resolve your resistance and say very proudly, I am 75. Oh, no, I resist. Does it going to change? No. The 6 vikara modifications are there is a fact. Fact has to be understood and resolve your resistance and accept you are a cheerful person today onwards. Don't try to pluck any grey hair, okay? Why? Why? It shows how much you are doing Vedanta Chintanam. Kitna Chintan karta, you are doing so mature. Therefore, every grey hair is what? All your sattva is coming out. This what you call that? Sprinkles. Don't put that spray and go to party for 3 hours. You know, there is spray available. I know more than you guys. Spray that, so all wrinkles will remain without wrinkle, and after 3 hours it will come back because it will start appearing. Don't come and ask me where it is available. I have not come for selling those things. Okay. Why not be happy? Every wrinkle you have earned for, correct? Therefore, asti jayate vardate viparinimate apakshiyate vinashyati is what? Deha. It has to undergo this 6. Any physical body has to undergo this thing. Now look at, this is your vision. When I say all the things, you are all happy. Swamiji seems to understand us now. Because I am old, he understands me. I am teenage. Teenage and stupidity, are they two separate words? Well, okay. Now I can, no teenagers, I can tell now. That time everybody goes crazy, correct? And they are never available for our tea. They don't want to talk to mom or daddy. Why? They are always advising and they are boring. So they always keep you away. You feel intimate because when I talk to you, all these things. And fact is, Ajaha, you are not this body. You are the consciousness which is unborn. If I am free from birth, then second thing, growth is possible for Atma? No. Becoming young is possible for Atma? No. Then any graph going down now started, now age has caught me. You are resisting that time. This fellow is entering 40 and buy a t-shirt which is written, I am only 20 years old with 19 years of experience. I can be proud of it. That body, not me. Body ages the fact. I don't age also is what? Fact. The one thing you understand. In time, you age or you mature. That is my different topic. I'm not going to touch that topic now. In time, you can age. That's how happening to all of us. But in time, if you initiate a process, you have to initiate a process. It doesn't happen like that. You can be 80 years old child, I tell you, holding on to things. Any change means you are disturbed. This can happen. You are a child, grabbing, holding. You can be a free person, mature person. Who is mature, I have to define. Who can take any change cheerfully. He is very objective, he is called mature person. That is all psychological I am talking. It is not my topic now. That is a big topic we all need to understand. Now come back to next topic. I am not born, therefore last step is what? Jayate mriyate. Not subject to death also. This is the vision Gita and Upanishad has towards you. The doctrine is you are free from birth and death. Doctrine is not rebirth. Rebirth is supporting logic to understand nothing is destroyed totally. It remains in one form or another. Anybody who doesn't accept that, it doesn't speak you logically also. Rebirth, if somebody doesn't accept, I don't care also. Because my vision is not for talking rebirth. My thing is what? You are free from birth and free from, therefore, you have to put, you are free from birth, therefore what? Free from death. Therefore, your old age also. You can enjoy your old age. Old age belongs to whom? To me or to the body? This is called Vedanta does not solve the problem. It proves there is no problem. If you are old, then I will deal the problem. Either you are not old, you are one who does not age. Lajjayate mriyate pakata chitta ayam bhutva na pavita panabhuya ajo nitya shashvatoyam purana na hanyate hanyamanesh